Hello guys, so today I'm going to talk about Saurabh Bhatnagar. So basically Saurabh Bhatnagar is a digital marketer and co-founder of Kikotech. So he born it in 3rd March 1992 in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. He got his primary education from Doon Valley Public School and he graduated from Hansraj College, Delhi. So basically, he used to think about money in his childhood, and he had passion to earn money. That's why in second year of college, he started network marketing, and he was working for network marketing. He had a team which were 7 person. So they all used to go door to door and they sell 200 card to them. Once they went to a shop, which shopkeeper was so rude, and that shopkeeper told them, "You will ruin my business," and that shopkeeper ejected all of them. So in this period, their team they used to earn 1000 per month for 3 consecutive years. Between this period, they all thought we should organize a event. So that's why they organized a event which they spent 10 lakhs rupees, and that event failed, so they got 10 lakhs rupees loss. Now you can judge what they would be thinking. First of all, they were not earning anything, so that's why. But the Saurabh Bhatnagar didn't give up, and he came back to Goa and he started network marketing. During this, his friend suggested him about software. So first, the Saurabh Bhatnagar had tension about that money which they spent. So because of Saurabh Bhatnagar new network marketing, so they got a project. That project was 50,000 rupees. So they did that successfully and they got 15,000. After that, constantly they were getting projects. So somehow they were paying their loan. And once his friend suggests him about software launches, so he thought we should invest. And as you know, Saurabh Bhatnagar is risky person. He don't miss any chance to invest any money. So he invested in that particular event or that particular software, and he got success, he got benefit. So after that they started to invest, and the same this was going on continuously, and that day came when that Saurabh Bhatnagar earned 2.6 crore in only 8 days. So Saurabh Bhatnagar is really very hard worker. It's a really inspirable for us. He had too good and too much confidence, and he had patience, which is I wanna appreciate about his patience, how good he had patience. And he always say that when you feel it's not working, then remember that day when you started. He always tell to feed your mind positivity, and he always believe in positivity. And he believes in one thing, that is spend like a beggar and invest like a king. So thank you for listening me, thank you for watching me.